Hey guys, Tyler here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another product review and we're looking at a portable air compressor from the company called Lasfit. Now, as you can see, it comes in a nice travel case. The pump is very small and compact, and it comes with all the hoses and plugs, charging adapters you'll need. The cool thing about this is it comes in 3 sizes. This is the most robust size that can handle truck tires. So you can do everything. You can do truck tires, car tires, bicycle tires, as well as sporting equipment, balls, bicycles, one wheels. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know that I have a Rivian R1S, and that vehicle has a built-in air compressor. I didn't think I'd use it too much, but it has been a savior twice now in the last year. And so I highly recommend that if you're going on any road trips or traveling, you have some kind of air compressor with you. If you don't have a built-in one, get something like this, and also get something like this. This is called a deluxe tire plug kit. Basically, I've used it twice now. I've been able to pull the screw out, clean up the hole, and plug the tire right there on the side of the road. It takes maybe 15-20 minutes tops and you're back on your way. I do recommend swapping that plug out when you get back home. Go to an official tire shop, because I left one in and after a few months it developed a slow leak. So that said, you know, I didn't have to wait for a tow truck. I didn't have to mess with a spare tire. These are great, and if it's not you that you're saving your trip, maybe you can help someone else. Now, this thing, like I said, small, compact. It has 3 4,000 milliamp hour batteries, and so basically it's like, it does everything. You can charge your phone, it's got a flashlight. The only thing I wish maybe it also did was like jump other cars, you know, if you could plug in some jumper cables, because then you'd have something that does completely everything. But so far, you know, I've been using it for about a month and it's been great. I've been able to air up my dad's tires on his motorhome. We were able to do balls and the one wheels. So if you're looking for a portable air compressor, I highly recommend this one. I used to have something similar. It was just one that you would plug into your cigarette lighter, but it was really cheap and eventually that broke. Go with a good quality product like this one. I'll have the link in the description, as well as the link for this plug kit. You gotta have both. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again. Perfect.